Hello my fabulous women, welcome back to my channel. It's always so lovely to have you here. Today I'm so excited to share my thoughts on a bag that's quickly becoming a favorite. The Demellier New York Tote. If you are into timeless, elegant pieces that work beautifully for every day, I think you are going to love this one. So let's talk about all the details, how it looks, what it fits, and if it's worth adding to your collection. I was recently introduced to this brand and honestly I didn't plan on buying anything right away. Do you remember my video on luxury winter bags from last year? If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it below for you. I think that video inspired me because when I came across this gorgeous winter style bag, it completely stole my heart. And what helped me decide? Black Friday. It was 20% off for Black Friday sales, and you know, how could I just say no? So I have it for a while, so I can give you my thoughts and my honest opinion after wearing it for 2 months and so. Before we get started on the bag, let's talk about Demellier. If you are not familiar, they are a London-based brand known for creating beautifully designed, high-quality bags with a purpose. What makes them stand out is not just their craftsmanship, but also their commitment to giving back. They have this initiative, A Bag Alive. So every bag sold helps buy medical treatments for children. So when you buy one of the pieces, it feels extra special knowing that you are supporting such an amazing cause. Okay, now let's get into the star of the show, the New York Tote. As I'm showing you this clip from when I first unboxed it, you will notice it comes in this black box, and you can see they talk about the A Bag Alive initiative, and every purchase helps provide medical treatments to children in need. It's such a meaningful detail and it makes the experience feel even more special. Inside the box there's another bag, so now let's open the second one. And here it is, the Demellier New York Tote. Just look at this, it's absolutely stunning. Yes, here she is. I have chosen the Beige Shearling and Black Smooth style of the New York Tote. It's a winter bag. I have to say this bag is a mix of sophistication and practicality. First impressions, it's chic, minimal and feels luxurious and practical at the same time. I mean, just look at this gorgeous off-white, like rather beige combination with black. It's classic, but still feels fresh and modern. It has such a unique look. The soft beige shearling adds a cozy, textured vibe, detail, and the black smooth leather gives it nice finish. The mix of materials make it stand out without being too much. It's stylish but still wearable for every day. Let's talk about the outside first. The leather is smooth and structured, giving a bag a nice look. It has these sleek handles, sturdy but comfortable to carry, whether you are holding in hand or over your arm. And I love the subtle gold hardware here. It's not overpowering, just the perfect touch of elegance. Now for the inside, because we all know it's what's inside that really counts. The bag is really spacious, as you can see, which makes it a perfect bag for every day. It's big enough to fit your essentials, a laptop, wallet, makeup bag and even a water bottle, whatever you imagine. So I have all my essentials: a laptop, Mac Pro, so it's not that small, cosmetic bag, sunglasses, and a bottle of water, a beautiful one from Amalfi Coast. So yes, it looks like this. Everything fits inside very nicely. Just amazing. It has a magnetic closure with side snap buttons to keep your essentials secure. There's also a zip pocket inside, which I appreciate for keeping smaller items secure, like your keys or phone. I also love the little details like the metal feet at the bottom and the Demellier logo, which is here. It's just thoughtful detail. It all feels so well thought out and high quality. It's definitely a bag that balances practicality with a touch of luxury. Honestly, it's the perfect bag for work, travel, or just a day out. And what do you think about this Shearling version? Do you like better than the standard one? The price for this version of the New York Tote is £545, which is a bit more expensive than the standard small leather version at £495. But I was so lucky to get it with a 20% discount during Black Friday sale. So it ended up being a great deal for me. So that's my take on the Demellier New York Tote. Honestly, if you are looking for a bag that's stylish, practical, and still feels luxurious, this is such a great option, such a great deal. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this bag? Do you love it as much as I do? And if you are already planning to buy a piece from the New York collection, tell me which one is it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews and tips on all things luxury and timeless elegance. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.